Hey folks, Sam from Mechanic here. We're inside the back seat of our 2016 Jeep Renegade, and I'm going to show you how to replace the interior dome light. So just look straight up. Alright, so good news, we don't need any tools. Now, before you do this, you are going to want to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Reason being, when you open the doors, that light's going to stay on for some time, and you don't want to burn your fingers while you're working on this. But you can see that the headliner's a little bit cushioned. That's going to work to our advantage. All you need to do is push up on that headliner a little bit, get your finger up under it, and pull down from the front, and it should come, or the cover should come right off. Set that down, and you can see you have your button here, you have your bulb here. Now this bulb, fairly simple, gonna slide out. Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble popping it out, pocket knife or a car key, I've got some car keys in my pocket. We'll just use that to slide our bulb out from the base. Once you get it to move just a little bit, you should be able to grab it with your fingers and pull it the rest of the way out. Little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There it goes. And it falls down just like that. Now, going back in, it's the exact same, but you're just gonna get it in that slot. And once you do, you just shove it straight in. Just like that, you've swapped your bulb, put your cover back on. You're just gonna get it hooked on the back end here, push straight in till it clicks in. Just like that, you're all set. Thanks for joining me.